Most welcome in this textual grammar learning session. It belongs to class 5 book English Reader lesson 10 named The Happy Man's Shirt, page number 145. Topic is indirect speech or reported speech. Let us enjoy it. When we report someone's words, then we use direct speech with quotation marks. As for example, he said, the king is very unhappy. Here, left side part is called reporting verb. In the words of English grammar, this part is called reporting verb. And right side part is called reported speech. In short, is abbreviated as R.S. So, in this speech, you have two parts. First part is he said, and second part is the king is very unhappy. Such speech is called direct speech. And further we see, or we can use reported speech or indirect speech. And the same sentence can be expressed in indirect speech form. Example, he said that the king was very unhappy. So this form of speech is called indirect speech. Here you need to note, in reported speech, the tenses, word order, and pronouns are changed from those in the original sentence of direct speech. So you can observe it clearly what changes has been done in indirect speech. First, this quotation marks and comma has been removed in indirect speech. Second, both the parts, that means reporting verb as well as reported speech, has been joined with the conjunction that. And at last, full stop has been used. So, what is the rule to change given direct speech into indirect speech has been instructed clearly with the help of rule 1 to 6. Just watch and follow. Rules to change into indirect speech. First, if the reporting verb of given speech is in past indefinite tense or simple past tense, then the reported speech is changed into past tense also. As said to of reporting verb is changed into told. Example, Ram said to Sita, the sun rises in the east. This is a universal truth that the sun rises in the east, and in this given speech it is in the part of reported speech. See how it is changed into indirect speech. This said to is changed into told. Consequently, it becomes Ram told Sita. Inverted commas or comma and all quotation marks has been removed. Consequently, removed, and both the sentence, that means reporting verb and reported speech, has been joined with the help of conjunction that. Consequently, it becomes Ram told Sita that the sun rises in the east. This sort of arrangement is on the basis of this universal truth, or the sentence existing in assertive form. So there are rules belonging to assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, and imperative sentence, exclamative sentence, optative sentence in successive manner. You need to follow it strictly. Rule number second. If reporting verb is of only said, then is not changed into told. It is used as usual. As for example, Ram said, "The sun sets in the west." This sentence is existing in the part of reported speech and is obviously a universal truth. So it becomes, in indirect speech, it becomes Ram said that the sun sets in the west. So what did we learn? We learned if reporting verb is of only said, then there is no need to change in another form. It remains as usual. It is used as usual. That is, Ram said that the sun sets in the west. Now see more and learn more. Remember, speech formed after joining reporting verb and reported speech is called as indirect speech or reported speech or narration also. Now come to learn about how to change direct speech into indirect one. He said, the king is very unhappy. It is in direct speech form, and in indirect speech form or reported speech form or in narration, it is he said that the king was very unhappy. Now come to enjoy rule number 2. Comma and quotation marks are removed in indirect speech. If the sentence of reported speech is in assertive form or declarative form, then that is used to join reporting verb and reported speech. See, if the sentence of reported speech is in interrogative form, then if or whether is used to join reporting verb and reported speech, and said to of reporting verb is changed into asked. D. If the sentence of reported speech is in imperative form, then to is used to join reporting verb and reported speech of direct speech. Example, Ram said to Sita, "Give me a handkerchief." It becomes Ram ordered Sita to give him a handkerchief. In direct speech, Ram ordered Sita to give him a handkerchief. Now come to rule number 3. The tenses of the verbs of reported speech are changed as per the existing tense of the reporting verb. Rule 4. In the same way, verbs in the present continuous form is changed into past continuous form. Example, direct speech. The king said, "I am feeling ill." Its indirect speech will be, the king said that he was feeling ill. Rule 5. Verbs in the present perfect tense is changed into the past perfect tense. Example of direct speech. The messenger said, "I have found a happy man." In indirect speech, it becomes, the messenger said that he had found a happy man. Rule number 6. Write the sentence of reported speech with a small letter in indirect speech. As for example, uh, you can see here the I is in capital form. It is in reported speech, and when uh, both the reporting verb and reported speech are joined together, then it becomes then is written with a small letter. You can see the king said that he was feeling ill, so he has been written with a small letter. That the rule implies. Now remember, can changes to could, will changes to would, today changes to that day. Now let us learn it through question answer mode. Rewrite these sentences in reported speech. First, the third messenger said, one man is unhappy because he has no children to inherit his land. Its indirect speech will be, the third messenger said that one man was unhappy because he had no children to inherit his land. You can see the present perfect tense became changed into present past perfect tense. The courtiers announced a man has come to meet the king. The indirect speech will be, the courtiers announced that a man had come to meet the king. You can see has come became changed into had come. The man told the messenger, I am sure, I am happy. Indirect speech will be, the man told the messenger that he was sure he was happy. Fourth, the man said anybody can be happy if they stop fussing about it. Answer, the man said that anybody could be happy if they stop fussing. Fifth, the messenger asked the man, are you sure you are happy? Answer, in indirect speech, it will be, the messenger asked the man if he was sure he was happy. Must note it down and get checked so that you can do better, not one bit better, but the best in coming exam. Hope it will help you a lot. Thanks for watching. See you next class with new solutions.